Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Watch, and the title of the video is Woman Caught Using Deployed Sailor's Identity in Rental Scam. Let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about, man.
Did I tell you any other report? Give us 1 second. So the lady behind me, supposedly is trying to open up get a new apartment here using the victim's name, who is overseas in the military right now.
No way.
I believe you spoke with the other officer about her filling out some paperwork.
Yep. So that's going to be right here. Here's her money orders. She was supposed to move in yesterday, and then I guess push it up because she figured management wouldn't be here today and whatnot. But is she going to be taken?
More than likely, yes. There's a separate officer in charge here, but yeah.
So what's going on today?
My friend needed, I don't know what's going on really. I'm just doing her dirty work, coming in and getting some keys.
Come on now. You doing wrong and you ain't even come up with an alibi or a story to go with it. Come on, man.
Who's your friend?
Alyssa.
Alyssa.
Freebell.
What do you mean you're doing her dirty work? What does that mean?
She just asked me, can I come get some keys for her? I told her no problem. Put my face on, to come do it for her. I didn't think it was an issue, but yeah, it is.
Okay. Are you saying this Alyssa person is the one who put you up to this? Is that what you're trying to say?
I don't know the story. I can't even, my kid's involved, and he didn't know, what's going on. And this U-Haul right here, this isn't mine. This is my cousin's U-Haul. I used his U-Haul because I was with him in his car, but he went to his new job today at Burger King this morning. But he left, and I wanted to, come grab the keys from his friend, so I just took his U-Haul and grabbed my son. It was supposed to be dropping him off to Jamestown.
When she just came out, she tells her son, whoever, it's like, you'll be okay. You don't know what's going on, but you'll be fine. I'll tell you later or something.
Yes.
So.
I heard that's kind of the way a lot of these financial ones go, because they're not aggressive criminals mostly.
They're just, they wanted to get a place because they can't afford it.
Did you submit an application?
She did.
She did?
No, any other information. I just went, just.
Okay, is there a reason why there's a Georgia ID with your face on it that was submitted to?
Actually, I'm gonna be honest with you. She asked me, can I send her a picture of me? So I'm thinking, she know my name, Soraya. So when she said picture, I'm like, okay, well, maybe they just need it. That's when she gave me the driver's license with my face. And I say, wait, how my face got on? Who is this? And I asked her, I said, how my face get on the ID? And she said, what did she tell me? She was like, don't worry about it, you good, you in good hands. I said, yeah, but who is this? Like, who is the actual? I said, and I told her, I was scared. And she was like, there ain't nothing to be scared about. And I said, well, I ain't want to, but I seen she had a boyfriend with her, and I know her boyfriend do the most. She's scared of him, I'm scared of him. I've always been for years. So I just was like, well, he was standing right there, so I didn't want to do it. And I told her, I said, I didn't feel comfortable. And she was just like, babe, all you got to do is just go pick up the keys. I said, yeah, but who is this that I got to be that you put, why you put my picture on the ID? And that's when she was like, they just do it, you in good hands and stuff. So I was like, all right.
So there's an officer in charge here. You're speaking with your mom. That's mom, right? That's your mom, right? Yeah. So they're speaking with her now. They'll kind of explain everything that's going on. I'm guessing you're kind of unaware. Yeah, again, you're not in any trouble, man. I'm just kind of trying to figure out where your mind's at.
I had gave her my number, told her to call me. She did call me. But she told me, she was like, she was in the process of trying to find somewhere to stay. Just, her whole little background. Trying to fit me in. Alyssa.
Oh, how do you spell it?
Alissa.
Does she have a middle name? Do you know? What's her last name?
I think if it's not Freeman, it may be Free free bull. I'm not so sure.
Do you know her birthday?
Oh, okay. I thought maybe October. Don't make me lie, I don't remember. I know it's October. She was always like 2-3 years older than me. I'll be 34. Wait a minute. I think she's about to be 36.
Do you have like an estimate for the day when she was born?
I don't. I won't. Lord Jesus, forgive me. God knows I ain't lying. I met her through somebody. She was cool years ago. Met her.
When you all of a sudden just putting God in your hot mess, you probably is lying. Okay, you probably is lying, and you going along trying to come up with this story. Now, the video isn't over, so I don't know, but I would be shocked if this person that she's actually talking about is real.
Through somebody, she was cool. Hung out a couple of times with her. Didn't see her. Hey, can you still needed to go to
How you doing?
How you doing? What's going on?
Good. How you doing?
dude needed. I'm gonna tell you. I had met with my friend Alyssa yesterday, and more of the story. I'm putting you in because I'm telling my business. But here we go.
Hey, let's come to the trunk of the car. Is the car coming?
You can.
Look right here. Just really stop going back. And shaded over here too.
I did some stupid shit, but I didn't know what it was exact from the more of the story. One of the homegirls, you might, Lord, you might be too old right now to remember it. More of the story, she called me, she hit me up, got in contact with me, said she needed to move in. She was in the process of moving, whatever. More of the story, she was getting ready to move in. She said, if I need you, are you able to go pick up some keys for me? So I'm like, yeah, you know what I got to do. And she was like, nothing, I'll let you know, I'm just waiting to see if I'm approved or not, whatever the case is. My auntie was going to help me get the place or some shit, she said. So, more of the story, I didn't hear from her no more up until yesterday, and she just, and I spoke with her on Peppy. But more before that, right before that, about 2 days before, 2 days ago, more of the story, she asked me to send her a picture of me, and I was like, okay, you can't go on my Facebook, and get a picture. She was like, no, send me a picture of you. I need it real quick. So I'm thinking, what the hell? She was like, these apartments so crazy. They be wanting 3 times the rent. They want you to do the most or whatever. I told them that somebody else was going to pick up my keys. Blah, blah, can you send me a picture? So I was like, yeah, I'll send you a picture of me. And I sent it to her and I said, can you see me good? And she was like, oh yeah, that's all I had needed for you. I was like, okay. I said, well, did you get approved for the apartment? She was like, I think I did, but I still got to speak to the office, more of the story, that was it. More of the story, can I tell you, don't judge me. I try to encourage y'all, motivate y'all to do what's best, but hear me out. More of the story, I met with my friend yesterday. When I met with her, so the whole time when she asked me for the picture 2 days prior of yesterday, when I seen her yesterday and met with her, she had a boyfriend with her. She gave me an ID. When she gave me the ID, my face was on the ID. Yeah. And she was like, you just got to pick up keys. So I was like, to pick up the keys, they couldn't just let me pick up the keys. She was like, no, you just be her, go in there and get the keys. So at that point, that's when I became guilty of anything that had transpired today.
What are you guilty of specifically? I'm kind of lost.
She gave me, it's not my ID, I'm from Florida,
So it's a fake ID.
Yeah, hell yeah, that ain't me. You know what I'm saying? I'm not her. I don't even know. I have no information on the person. I don't know the person. No, nothing. Moral of the story, I knew right then and there. That's where when I agreed to take it from her and said, okay, I'll go, pick it up. She gave me 2 money orders, and what she say? I got to be there by 10 o'clock.
So
to pick up the keys.
Whenever So you did do paperwork in the leasing office.
I just signed the name.
And then did you give them an ID when you didn't give them?
They didn't even ask for it.
No.
So, it seems like we're all on the same page here. Identity theft is a serious crime that has major ramifications to.
I know. I do know.
Right? Being in possession of a fake ID is illegal.
Correct.
You know,
and that's why I said I had to
appreciate your honesty here, but
and I knew I f***ed up when I seen it yesterday and took it from her, so I have to take full responsibility of that.
well, you are under arrest today,
Yes,
so don't put your hands behind your back.
Can I before I have my food stamp card for my children. I got a few stuff in my purse.
You saying you want them to have it?
Yeah.
You'll be able to bring your purse.
No, I want to be able to give them.
Oh, give them?
So, yes, because I jumped up. I still got my kids and stuff to feed at grandma's house. I need you to.
You want them to have something in your purse?
Yes.
Let me see what.
Okay, go. Thank you.
You need my number?
Oh, can you give him?
Get you in the car. We'll get you in the
I got something else in there to give him.
That's fine. Come to the car. We'll do that.
I got King stuff with me. Can you get it from him? Can you give him? I got King.
Go into the car, and if you need something else, we'll talk to you.
I got King papers and keys. Okay.
This officer, she's just going to search you again?
Okay. Can you tell them what jail I'm going to?
Yeah, we'll get them all that information.
Okay.
She's just going to search you first. And then we'll get you in here. I'll have the AC on, okay? Anything?
Yeah, but who's this imaginary person? Typically, if somebody else is an accomplice or whatever that's in on the scheme, wouldn't you be giving up they phone number and their information? You ain't give them nothing for real. You gave them probably some bogus name. Don't know the birthday. Don't know nothing, bro. Really?
On you, she's Nobel?
No.
You?
Can I give them a number at my phone?
She probably got bad credit or something, and she used somebody with good credit to get an apartment. Because most places check your credit, to get an apartment. You know what I mean? You can't just go in there and have the money anymore. They want to know, hey, are you paying your bills on time? Are you, responsible? You know what I mean? So she probably got bad credit, schemed, found someone with good credit, and tried to switch their identity. And she's the only one. I would doubt that there's somebody else involved in this.
So do you have anything in you?
Oh, in me? Yeah. Oh,
You
I wasn't listening. I'm so sorry. No, I'm
It's
sorry.
like desk. Oh, hold on.
I'm gonna roll the window down for you.
Can I give them a number at my phone?
Yeah. Let me go get your phone for you.
See you guys.
Ever. I'm the type of person when I do something wrong, my karma kicks instant. And I knew last night when I met with her and I seen that it was like that. That's yeah.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.